Hey, we're going to work out day 60, practice 1. So part 1, write the method below, add all values, which adds up all the values in an int array and returns the result. And we should get 54. Right now, if we run this, it's going to report 0 because I just have this thing set to report 0 and to print not this. All right, so instead of reporting 0, we're going to make a sum variable, set it to 0, and then before we forget, we're going to return sum at the end. Right now, if I ran it, we'd still get 0, but we've made some progress. And now we need to make the 2 for loops because we have to traverse the whole array for int r equals 0, r less than, and let's see what the array is called nums here. Nums.length, that's how many rows there are, r plus plus. And then we're going to do a column for loop for int c equals 0, c less than. Now we have to say nums 0.length. That gets the first row out and figures out how many columns are in it. And then inside here, we're going to say sum plus equals nums row and column. That grabs each element using these for loops, adds it to sum, and returns the sum. And if we did this correctly, we're going to get 54. So we get 54, perfect, and we get not this. All right, so that's part 1. And I got a problem. My dog needs to be let out, so I'm going to pause, and then I'm going to let my dog out. Okay, dog is outside. Let's do the next one. The next one, find longest string. We're going to be receiving a 2-dimensional string array called words, and we want to find the longest string. So I think I would do is do string longest equals empty string. And then let's do the 2 for loops. For int r equals 0, r less than words dot length, r plus plus. All right, so this is going to get us through all the rows. I don't know what that is. Oh, I see what happened. Didn't hit the right arrow well enough. And then we're going to go through all the columns. Int c equals 0, c less than words 0 dot length, c plus plus. And why don't we check if the current element, if words dot, sorry, not dot, rc length, remember length for a string has parentheses after it, greater than longest dot length. That means we have a new longest, and we'll say longest equals dot. So I'm not storing how long it is, I'm just storing literally the string in this variable longest. And then at the end, I'm going to return longest. Let's make sure this works. We should get hippopotamus, 54, and then hippopotamus. And we did. So there you go. That's that. I hope that helped.